Hi guys! So, this is my first time doing a voiceover on a video. I'm excited. I think it's gonna be a good way to get to know each other, introduce myself, and hear from you in the comments. My name is Marcelo. I'm a fashion designer and an artist from Mexico. And this is how I custom denim jackets. I like to measure the jacket so I can get a better idea of the size of the design, so I don't end up with something that is too small or too big for the jacket. After sketching all my ideas, I do the final sketch in full size so I can trace it later on the jacket. I've been using Adobe Fresco for a while now and I really love it. I can just take a picture of the design and try all sorts of color palettes, and after that, decide which color will get to the final step. This project is for a friend of a friend. He saw my work and really liked it, so he asked me if I could do a jacket for him and his girlfriend. I'm very excited and I'm really hoping they love the result. I used golden acrylics and GAC 900 acrylic fabric medium. This way the painting on the jacket will be smooth and flexible. I love when I start to see that everything is coming together. Adding the embroidery details and the final touches to the jacket, it really makes me happy to see the final result. I hope you liked this video. If you did, like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.